Okay, so problem 4 is a very interesting problem. You actually don't have to do that much work in this problem because you can just use superposition. So if you go back to problems 1, 2, and 3, you'll see that they're all very similar to each other. Right? You have the same frame in each case, same frame, same frame. And the idea for this one is that you just add the results that you got from problems 1, 2, and 3 together. Now, I say that, but there is a little bit of a trick. You do need to make sure that you keep in mind this is 2w. So for example, if you add this one, which is one triangle, and you add this one, which is a second triangle together, you'll get a rectangle, right? Because the two of them are like each half of a rectangle. But that rectangle will only have height w. It won't have height 2w. So the only thing is you need to multiply your results from 1 and 2 by 2. And what do I mean by that? Well, this is where you can save a lot of work. Most of your work is going to be in any of these problems with just finding the reactions. Well, now I can just say, well, for my reaction in problem 4, that is just going to be equal to 2 times my reaction from problem 1 plus 2 times my reaction from problem 2 plus my reaction from problem 3. I'm going to do the same thing for AX and CY. And once I have that, my problem is half done, right? If anything, this problem is actually easier than problems 1, 2, and 3 because now I don't have to deal with parabolas in my shear diagram. So my forces here, this is going to be AY4, CY4, AX4. My load here is going to be like this. And then I can just draw my diagrams as I would normally. So I was able to get these reactions directly. And other than that, I think that's like everything there is to say about this problem. Keep in mind that your shear diagram for problems 1 and 2, it was a parabola. That was because we had triangular loads. Now that we have a rectangular load, your shear diagram will again become a line. It'll become like your shear diagram will just be something like that. It won't be like, you won't have to do any funny business with parabolas or anything. But your moment diagrams will still be parabolas. And if you have any questions on how to combine these, then yeah, let us know. Send us an email or stop by office hours.